let's take a look at this car. This one is incredibly stylish. The wheels and brakes are 20-inch, a direct fit. The entire suspension system, it has new window tint with a subtle greenish shimmer, and also the tail light.
Valenti Japan is genuine. The rear bumper's new. The original had those indentations, right? There's an exhaust hole. The exhaust hangs here, not blowing here. It goes straight down. It's a reflector housing with a parking and brake light. And it covers every detail. This is completely covered. Since it already has a rear camera, it will look neat and beautiful. Look outside. If we don't open it, the black trim looks so good. Now, if it's chrome, this door handle is genuine chrome. It really contrasts with this black color. It will look dimensional. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. And then there's the blue lanes with running lights from Sisbrick. This is a wide blue lanes. Anyone who drives this model knows very well that its original mirror is quite narrow, making it very hard to see. But this lens is wide, and it also features a turn signal right here. The lights will become smaller, looking so beautiful. But if it's possible, changing these lights to Valenti ones would be absolutely gorgeous too. This is a Majesty cover, you know. This part right here is truly beautiful.
The exterior looks very beautiful and refined.
Let's take a look inside. It's significantly more stylish. It comes with a 360-degree camera system, and this specific trim piece is Alcantara. The Alcantara contrasts beautifully with a three-tone glossy finish. And this part here is leather, and this part here is Alcantara. It's not a lot, but it doesn't look like too much, yet it appears very elegant and high class. It looks so premium, don't you think? The premium feel of it really looks beautiful, and the interior is just like this, truly gorgeous, so very beautiful.
It's very premium and looks really good. Now, let's talk about this steering wheel. This button is from the overseas model, the genuine International Majesty. Its button looks like this. If you put other buttons in, they would be bumpy and look strange. But this one is the exact fit for the top spec Majesty, and the gauge cluster is also the one for this Majesty model is an imported version you see. And this part here is all in Japanese. The ones sold in our country, they won't have any Japanese text. You can press this button and the Eurostrip will pop right up. If you're looking for something really stylish, something super cool. This is premium chrome, a clear indicator of its high-end quality. You just take one look and you'll immediately know it's an imported item. This is the 360-degree camera, just like this, covering the entire vehicle. And this is the digital mirror. They are separate units. You see, they're completely independent because sometimes the Android screen might be off, or perhaps the Android screen or its operating system might operate a bit slower. But this one, you start it up and it's instantly on. Once you start it up properly, this one will instantly appear. If it were the other type, it would come up quite slowly, and reversing or doing anything else would require many steps of waiting. But with this one, it comes up immediately because it's a digital mirror. You can also turn it on and off from the back of this unit and adjust it up and down right here. This is really cool. It's an awesome item. It uses push button, not a touchscreen. I've used a touchscreen version before. It was a headache, like just fumbling around. This button version is much easier. I've used it, I've installed this in my car, and it's awesome. Then, the interior in the back is decorated like this. The doors are electric, the side panels are electric, and then the rear panel.
This car is absolutely amazing. The battery has been upgraded to a large 100 amp unit. It's all done. In the sound system, there's no need to even talk about it. It's fully loaded. Come here, take a look at this right now. This logo like this is definitely genuine, so now you can resell it for a good price. For example, the tail lights, it's easy to check. Just look at second-hand ones. It's if a used one holds its value, then it's worth buying. It's like cars. If a used car has a high price, that's the one worth getting. You won't regret it, and it's popular. This one has a subwoofer in the back, including this light too. It's truly awesome. It's absolutely beautiful, a genuine personal car, and the air conditioning system has been relocated to the rear. It's a microbus. This one is incredibly sleek, luxurious, and looks excellent. It predominantly features a black color scheme. It's so beautiful. This particular part here is glossy, creating a striking contrast with the leather. As I've mentioned, this car boasts 3 distinct contrasting elements: Alcantara, then the premium leather, and also the sleek black mirror. Do you see? This consistent color scheme is meticulously maintained throughout the entire cabin, and is beautifully accented by the truly stunning Bombay colored ambient lighting. The overall color coordination is absolutely gorgeous, truly. This is so incredibly cool. Pause. Anyone who wants something like this, please don't hesitate to contact us.